How check your birthday on LinkedIn. If you are interested to know whether you entered the correct birthday to your LinkedIn account, this video is for you. On your LinkedIn app, navigate to the top left corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Then proceed to scroll down a bit until you locate view profile and tap on it. With this selected, when you scroll down a bit, you will see this three dot beside add section. Make sure to tap on it. A pop-up menu will appear with a list of information. Continue to tap on contact info. Then with this selected, when you scroll down a bit, you could see birthday, which is correctly entered here. In the event you want to copy this birthday, you can then proceed to tap on it and then tap on copy. Let's say you have a change of mind and you want to edit this birthday. You can navigate to the top right corner where you see this edit icon and tap on it. This will land you on an interface like this, and when you scroll down, you could see birthday. In this case, when you tap on it, you can make the necessary changes that you want to make to your birthday. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.